The average stock market return is just about 10% per year. What it actually means is that it is possible to double your money in the stock market in about 7.2 years. And you can find that quickly yourself by using the rule of 72. All you have to do is to divide the number 72 by the annual interest rate or the expected rate of return. In this case, the average annual stock market return is 10%. Therefore, 72 divided by 10% is 7.2 or 7.2 years to double your initial investment. In contrast, it will take over 550 years to double your money in your savings account. Divide 72 by the national average yearly interest rate for savings account, which is 0.13% APY. 72 divided by 0.13 is equal to 553.8. Click the link in the description below to watch my entire stock market class for beginners and make sure to subscribe for more.